Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
King cobra. The king cobra, Ophiophagus hanna, delivers enough neurotoxins to kill an Asian elephant, as well as about 50% of the humans it bites. Reaching 18 feet (5.5 meters) in length, the king cobra is also the world's longest venomous snake.
Let's help you make your mark.
A king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, has attempted to catch, kill and eat this reticulated python, grows to be the longest snake in the world and has been coiled and strangled by the python and died in the process. Both were dead when found. One of the combatants, a king cobra, lay strangled.
Let's help you make your mark.
The fight among these two snakes is rare. However, in the face-to-face fight, king cobra will beat black mamba. Both the snakes have its individual feature, specifically black mamba venom is poisonous than the king cobra. Therefore, it would better for you to refer the comparison among king cobra versus black mamba.
Let's help you make your mark.
The mongoose is known for its ability to fight and kill venomous snakes, especially cobras. Their specialized acetylcholine receptors render them immune to venom. The mongoose is known for its ability to fight and kill venomous snakes, especially cobras.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.